one is coming human anatomical waste, which is inside human tissues, organs, body parts. Next category number 2, animal waste. So where in animal waste there is coming animal tissues, organ, body parts are bleeding parts, and the veterinary hospitals follow the discharge from the hospital. These are the animal. This one also we can be completely disposed by deep burning. So third one is the category one, third is the microbiology or biotechnological waste. So waste is waste coming from the laboratory, stocks, specimens of live microorganisms, human and animal cell cultures used in the research, infectious agents from research, industrial laboratories. These are the this is done by local autoclaving, microwaving, and micro and incineration by deep burning. These are the waste we can dispose by autoclave. Autoclave also is a 120 degrees Celsius by I think 1.5 hour. This is 1.5 hour. That much of high temperature that all the thing is to be that's we can throw directly. That the what there is to do at that time after this autoclaving we can throw directly in the environment. So next category number 4. Waste starts, needles, syringes, scalpels. Scalpels also is one kind of is coming from the OT, operation theatre, blades, glass, etc. That maybe causes puncture and cuts. This include both using unused straps. So disinfecting by chemical treatment, autoclaving, microwaving, mutilation, shredding. Disinfect chemicals are hydrogen peroxide, hydrogen uh, chloroform. Do you have heard chloroform? Their chloroform is used for this making the disinfecting of the instrument. Disinfecting chemicals. I want another the Savlon also is there, but for completely destroying after that we can destroy. The first is to have to do the disinfecting. Second, we can do the autoclave or deep or microwave we can do for this. Needle syringes and scalpels, blades, glass, these items. This is inside no any plastic items, okay, in category number 4. Only sharps. Here only sharps. First we have to disinfect. After that we can do the autoclave or microwave and shredding we can do. Shredding also one day giving the high temperature. Then next category number 5, discarded medicine, cytotoxic drugs. So in medicines what are the incineration or deep burning and destruction drugs disposal in secure landfills. We can do the landfills. Some drugs may be mixed up with land, and after that it is helpful for the some nitrogen. Sometimes you have fertilizer. It's helpful for chemical fertilizer. For it's helpful for some trees also. So gardening and all we can use to do. Okay. So next category number 6, solid waste. So in solid waste, there are cotton dressing, soil, plaster cast, linen bedding, other materials contaminated with blood. The solid waste incineration means deep burning or autoclave. High temperature burning you have to give. After that we can just throw in the environment. This is not harmful for the environment. After that we just mix it up in the solid land, then it can be do the it is helpful. It's not a dangerous for human being. So next is the liquid waste. So there are 10 categories, okay? So liquid waste, which is general laboratory and hand washing, cleaning, housekeeping, disinfecting activities, disinfecting by chemical treatment and discharge into the drains. Next, category number 9, incinerated SS. SS means like who is coming from the, we can say factories and also so many SS is to be coming in the air. So that one, disposal in the municipal land. So now last is the chemical waste. Uses can be secured in the landfill for solids and discharged the drain liquid and secured in the landfills. So I want to give one assignment, okay? Write please biomedical, write an assignment on biomedical waste management out of 10 marks. Now steps in the management of biomedical waste. So first what we have to be do. First is the step is the survey of the waste generated. What waste is coming, just keeping in one carrier, one like trolley and all. After they segregate, we have to be divide what waste is what product, what kind of what category. Either it is solid, it would be a surf, or it may be a chemical, it is a human waste. This one also we have to be segregated. After that, collection of categorization of waste, then storage of that waste not beyond the 48 hours. After the transportation of waste, then treatment of waste. Treatment of waste means deep burning, sometimes autoclaving. These are the waste treatments are there. So segregation refers to a basic separation of different categories of waste. Then it is segregation means separation. Okay. So BMW is mass generated in BMW is the where biomedical waste or biomedical waste group. This is the one managing team where they used to do that separation and effective segregations, segregation of the biomedical waste. So now collection of transport storage within the hospital. The collection of biomedical waste involves use of different types of containers. The containers, dustbins should be placed in the waste. 10% collection is achieved. SARP must always be kept in puncture-proof container to avoid injuries and infections to the workers who are handling them. So SARPs we have to be keep very careful of that SARPs. So we have to be keep in the puncture-proof container. Means one container we have to keep in that SARPs, needles and all. Then storage within for 48 hours. So once collection finished, after that we can be stored in proper place. Then segregation already done. After that storage is not exceed 8 to 10 hours in a bed hospitals. Then the nursing homes, this container may be clearly then necessary. After the storage, after they will go to treatment area. Then transport, final transport of BMW must be say BMW West area, okay, where treatment is to be done. Only an authorized vehicle with the appropriate documents. This full form of this CBMWT STF, I will tell you later on, okay, I forgot now. So color coding first, biomedical waste. These are the color coding: yellow, red, blue, and the black. Black is for the drugs, okay, wherever expiring medicine we used to keep here. The blue one for the sharp materials, whoever medicine container, the whoever made up of glass items. Then plastic is for plastic we are using this red color. Then after that, this one is the yellow color. Yellow color is for cottons and all. So human animal waste, microbial waste, solid cotton, dressing, linen, bedding. It is a deep burning. This is we are keeping the yellow. Then red is the tubing, catheters, IV sets. Then the blue is the needles, syringes, scalpels, blood, etc. And black is the discarded medicine, cytotoxic drugs, incinerations. This is chemical waste. These are the which are coming from the medicines and all. This is where is to keep in the black dustbin.
Ma'am, IV sets, ma'am.
IV sets in the red. There is a plastic, all the plastic things in the red. Okay, plastic materials. And paper and all we can keep in the black paper. Just paper, with this paper, that one we can keep in the black. Okay. So yellow means cotton, gauze pieces, dressings, linen, beddings in yellow. Then red is the plastic, blue is the glass, black is the medicine. Okay, this color coding you have to be remembered. And you are using in all hospitals. This color coding is there. This is the universal. How I am telling the category 10 is the total category 1 to 10 is the universal. Here this color coding also universal. So it's done. Biomedical waste management. Do you have any query? Anyone? So write an assignment. Here you can write an assignment on biomedical waste management. So in these topics, I will give you in the ERP also, where you can get the notes and all. Okay. Today or tomorrow, I think I'll be uploaded. Any problem? Any query? So today we'll discuss assignment out of 10. That you need 1 week, 2 weeks. Hoga, 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks. Hoga?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will upload today or tomorrow. If you need 1 month also, oh, no, 2 weeks. It's more. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you have any query, you can ask in the WhatsApp or you can directly give me in my WhatsApp account.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
What about our attendance, ma'am?
Attendance, I will make all of
That
you
is student
present only.
portals, ma'am.
Yeah, student portal.
That is student portal.
Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
from my side only, from the tabulation table is there now. From that, I can give the attendance. Okay, I'll try.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we need to read this class in portal?
Means
Rating class must have.
rating. ना मतलब I can't understand.
मतलब मैम पोर्टल में जो ये क्लास रिकॉर्ड होता है ना,
I'll
तो
be
उसका
recording.
रेटिंग देना, यस मैम, उसको मतलब हम लोग को रेटिंग देना पड़ता है ना, तो इसलिए आई थिंक मतलब
अच्छा रेटिंग भी देना पड़ता है क्या? I don't know तो.
हाँ,
Okay,
तो
in
आप
nurse.
जब अपलोड करेंगे तो
हाँ.
ग्रुप में बोल देने से हम लोग रेटिंग देंगे उस टाइम.
Okay, ठीक है.
ओके
Thank you.
ओके मैम.